Okay, so I was recording a video of replacing the fog lights on this GT500, but I guess because of it being so sunny today and so hot, my phone decided it was going to overheat, and when it overheated, it shut off all of my background apps to try to save on cooling, I guess, or whatever. But anyway, I replaced the halogen lights in here with these LEDs because one of my lights was out and it was this one here was burnt out. But when I started my car a while ago, the light was back on again. So when I got up underneath of the car and checked the light bulb, it was just the connector was loose, which is why that kept going out. But anyway, they're halogen bulbs. They were kind of yellowish anyway, and they didn't match the HIDs that are stock on the car, so I went ahead and put these in anyway, just to kind of brighten things up a little bit. I only paid like 40 bucks for these LEDs. I didn't want to buy anything that was like $100, $200, so I went with these cheaper $40 pair, and they look pretty nice. Like, here, I'll show you. Whew, it's hot today. So if we turn the key on, you can see that there's a big difference. A little bit brighter than those factory halogens were. The color matches a little bit better with the HIDs. It's not 100% spot on, but these were the 5000 series, 5000K. Yeah, they look pretty good. One thing that really sucked though, in order to change out those fog lights, you have to take the whole bottom off of the car, because of course they got this plastic piece up under here, and it had to come completely off just to get access to the bulbs. But anyway, I got it off, got the bulbs installed. One more thing that gave me some trouble with these is that, if I can get this open again. Put you down for a second so I can get this open. Okay, so one other thing with the LED bulbs I bought. Like if you look at the stock bulbs, you see there's a couple notches on this side. There's a little notch here and another one here. Can you see these two? And then over on this side, there are no notches. I guess that allows you to put the bulb in there the right way it's supposed to go. But on the LEDs I bought, it had a notch here, and it also had a notch on this side, so it wouldn't fit. I couldn't get it into the housing, and it took me a while to figure out what the problem was. Is that the extra notch on this side wasn't allowing the bulb to go in all the way, so I had to take a razor and shave off that notch on the LED bulbs. So after I did that, they fit in just fine. But it was kind of a headache trying to figure out what was going on. But we got it. So there, that's that. And then to get the car up on the ramps, I had to use these 2x4s because the car sat so low to the ground. The front of the car was hitting my ramps, so I had to do that. But it works. Job's done. I'll get another shot of it tonight when it gets darker so you can see the new bulbs a little bit better. Sometime in the future, I'd like to get hold of a smaller pulley for the supercharger so I can get that to spool up a little bit better and get a little bit more boost. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. I try to reply to all of my comments, so if you do leave me a comment, I'll make sure to respond. Okay, thanks a lot. See ya.